Hi there, Darran Smith here, founder of Softwash Systems Training in the UK. Together with my wife Theodora, I moved to Ashford in 2012. Our children, Dorian and Thomas, were born here and attend the local school. Together, we love our holidays to Bulgaria, other European countries and Orlando in the USA, where Softwash Systems equipment is made. In 2016, together we set up Softwash Systems. My companies over the years have produced millions of pounds in revenues. Window cleaning systems, DOF steam cleaning, and my personal favourite of course, Softwash Systems equipment. There is no surface I can think of that I have not cleaned or restored back to its former glory. At 55 years young, my passion is now to teach other people how they can grow their own exterior cleaning businesses. Softwash training has been great for me because of the lifelong friends I have made, both in the USA, UK and throughout Europe. These are friends I would not have had if I had not started my journey with Softwash Systems. I love it when others ask me, how do I clean this type of surface? My mind travels back to a place where my team has successfully cleaned something similar, and I am able to help them overcome their problem. I know of no other cleaning organisation in the world which offers everyone so much. We provide great Softwash training and fabulous softwashing equipment, and even amazing chemicals. It has brought together a like-minded community of entrepreneurs, one which encourages each other to keep learning, one which exists to help each other succeed. Together, we accomplish more.